You've seen the videos, a flawless, aggressive luxury SUV carving its way across a sunlit desert dune, throwing up a perfect arc of sand without breaking a sweat. It's the ultimate automotive fantasy. The subject of our analysis is more specific, a heavily modified, ultra-premium build optimized for absolute maximum street presence. The visual appeal is undeniable. Every piece of factory brightwork has been blacked out, and that imposing front grille gives it a stance that demands attention the second it pulls up to a curb. We're measuring this exact build against a hypothetical 10-scene cinematic showcase, the kind of high-production marketing used to sell a flawless lifestyle fantasy. While these showcases promise a vehicle that functions as a quiet executive boardroom and an unstoppable off-road tank, the physical design choices required for each are often in direct conflict. This matrix highlights the friction between exotic marketing prompts on the left and the hard limits of physics on the right. Modifying the platform to achieve this specific visual status forces a shift, moving away from the factory-engineered balance of the original chassis. Pursuing the hero shot aesthetic requires physical changes that dictate how the car behaves in the real world, long after the cameras stop rolling. This raises the question of whether the aesthetic result justifies the specific mechanical compromises that come with a build this aggressive. To evaluate this as a practical investment, we have to look past the marketing and examine the impact of each modification category on daily drivability. The foundation of this vehicle's stance is its oversized rims and extremely thin rubber. On smooth tarmac, this rigid sidewall provides sharper steering. However, it removes shock absorption, trading factory compliance for a setup transferring road energy directly into the chassis. Navigating a standard city pothole with this little rubber between the rim and the road creates a high risk of bending a wheel or blowing a sidewall when impact. On long-distance drives, this modification transfers constant road vibration into the cabin, which eventually compromises the flagship touring comfort the SUV was built to provide. By selecting these wheels, the owner prioritizes visual roadside dominance over original floating ride quality. Moving to the body, the lowered front air dam and extended side skirts are designed to create a grounded, menacing profile. This kit provides excellent high-speed stability on the interstate and a high degree of aesthetic intimidation when parked. But off-road capability is defined by approach and breakover angles. As this diagram shows, the added bodywork drastically restricts the angles it can navigate. Applied to cinematic prompts, crawling through uneven terrain becomes physically impossible. The geometry simply doesn't work. If you attempt an off-road incline with this urban ground clearance, the front fascia will act as a plow, likely shattering the bodywork before the tires can even find grip. This armor is purely cosmetic, built to navigate valet lines and city boulevards, not mountain passes. Inside, a showcase build of this caliber implies an ultra-premium, screen-heavy environment tuned for high-end passengers. While the underlying V8 or twin-turbo V6 engine is built for longevity, custom digital integrations in the cabin often face rapid technological depreciation. These systems also introduce a specialized maintenance burden. Fixing a proprietary screen controller or custom interface requires a tech diagnostic expert, not a standard mechanic. These digital failure points can become so costly to repair that they diminish the vehicle's total value long before the mechanical components wear out. A hyper-luxurious digital cabin provides immediate gratification, but it changes the maintenance profile from mechanical durability to a dependence on fragile electronics. Wheel and body geometry data point to a specific buyer. Your environment is the deciding factor. On flawless city roads, the urban status path validates this investment for maximum arrival impact. The mixed surface path suggests rejection. For overlanders, the stock factory setup remains superior. Misaligning your daily environment with this type of build leads to broken bodywork and bent wheels, plus high repair costs. Determining exactly where you intend to drive is the most critical step before authorizing a six-figure modification list. The vehicle in the showcase is a masterpiece of urban design, but its capabilities are strictly limited to the pavement. The financial premium here is being paid to exchange the vehicle's original versatility for a more aggressive visual identity. Choosing this aesthetic is valid, provided you are clear-eyed about the physical and mechanical trade-offs required to achieve it. Don't let the cinematic illusion convince you that a car can be a hyper-stanced street icon and a rugged trail tool at the same time. Choose your priority and build for it. Luxury achieves its highest value when the engineering is optimized to serve the reality of how the vehicle is actually used.